Tired of missing Venmo receipts or struggling with an old email address linked to your account? Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Venmo email on Android, step by step. It's easier than you think. If you've ever felt that slight panic when you can't find a payment confirmation, or worried that important security alerts are going to an email you no longer use, you're in the right place. An outdated email can be a real headache for account security and keeping track of your money. But don't worry, we're going to fix that right now. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the entire process inside the Venmo Android app. It's a crucial part of managing your Venmo account settings and ensuring everything is secure and up to date. I'll make sure every step is super clear, so let's get started. Okay, before we open the app, here's a quick pro tip. Make sure you have access to the new email account you want to switch to. Venmo may send a verification email to confirm the change, so having your inbox open on your phone or computer will make this process completely seamless. All right, now that you're ready, grab your phone and let's jump in. Step 1. All right, first things first, open the Venmo app on your Android device. Once you're on the main home feed, look down at the menu at the very bottom of the screen. You're going to tap on the Me icon, which is usually in the bottom right corner and might have your initials or profile picture. Step 2. Tapping Me brings you to your personal profile page, where you can see your balance and friends. Now, look to the top right corner of this screen. You'll see a gear icon. That's the settings menu. Go ahead and tap that gear to open up all of your account options. Quick pause. If you're finding this guide helpful so far, do me a favor and tap the like button below. It really helps the channel and lets me know I'm making useful content for you. Okay, back to the settings. Step 3. Now that we're in the settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories. We want to focus on the Preferences section at the top. The very first option there should be Account. Tap on Account to get to your core personal information. Step 4. Inside the Account menu, you'll see options for your profile and phone number under the Account Information heading. This is where you can change your Venmo profile details. Tap on Profile to edit your name, username, and most importantly, your email address. Step 5. And here we are. On this screen, you'll see fields for your name, username, and email. Tap inside the email box. The keyboard will pop up. Carefully delete your old address and type in the new one you want to use. Double check for any typos. Once you're sure it's correct, tap the blue Save button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Pro tip. One common issue people face is the Save button being grayed out. If that happens, it almost always means there's a typo in your email format, like missing the @ symbol or writing .con instead of .com. Just correct it and the button should become active. Also, remember this is a great time to quickly check that your phone number is correct too, just to keep your account extra secure. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you now know exactly how to change your Venmo email on your Android phone. No more worrying about missed notifications or security alerts. Your account is now up to date and secure. Remember, keeping your contact details current is one of the easiest ways to protect your account. If you ever change your email again, you'll know exactly what to do. Now go ahead and enjoy using Venmo with peace of mind. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our future tech tips. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. Got any other Venmo questions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next one.